Hello everyone. In this video, we will be seeing how coal power plants produce energy. So coal is mined from earth and then transported to other countries using ships like cargo ships, and then they are heaped into great heaps in this power plant. So right here or somewhere else, and they are dumped into a silo, a day silo, where it's sent into a drying machine where the coal is dried from its wetness, and then it's churned into very minute particles. So, and then this powdered coal is then sent into a special chamber where water is sent through pipes, which is pumped into pipes, and then the water is heated to a very high temperature. It turned into steam, and then it's brought here near this um, turbines, and then the turbines spin, and then they produce a lot of electricity, and then the electricity is sent through a transformer where it is directly sent into our house. So let's see more deeply about it. So here we have the silo, and then right here it's churned and turned into a powder. So right here it's burnt, and then burnt directly on the pipes, so that there is a lot of heat going through the pipes. And then this whole box is covered with special material where all the heat just radiates back into it and does not escape outside. Even though when you touch on the surface of it, it will be very hot, but still most of the heat is radiated inside, so that the heating is more efficient. This water is very specially treated water, not like the regular water we have. So what kind of special treatment? All the carbon dioxide material inside the water, cause there is carbon dioxide material inside the water, and some of the individual atom of oxygen is removed, I don't know how, and then it is chemically treated from germs and other living organisms. uh, and then this water is sent through pipe inside and is preheated right here, and then again a few turns and twists later, this is sent into the main chamber where the main real heat is shown. So right here it keeps on heating it. So right in the bottom there is a lot of heat, and on the top there is much less heat than bottom. So the coal is heated along with oxygen, and then this water is heated to very high temperature where the steam turns into dry steam. So there is difference between dry steam and wet steam. So dry steam is basically where on wet steam, where you keep a hand on top of boiling water, your hand gets moisturized. On dry steam it doesn't, it's very hot. So, and that water is passed through turbines, and the turbines spin very fastly, very fast, and then the rest of the steam is again sent back into the chamber for some more heating, and then again it's brought back to this turbine. It spins a little more because some of the pressure is reduced right in the uh, first part of the energy production. So what is the pressure inside this chamber? So the pressure is about 3000 psi or 200 bar, which is incredibly high. So and then the rest of the steam is just let into big domes where you see, like when you're going in a bus or near a power plant, walking near a power plant. So you see huge domes where smoke come out of it. So that's basically just the steam and the other carbon dioxide from this area coming out of it. So yeah, it's of course pollution. So and then all the energy is just sent into a transformer, and then the transformer brings electricity to our homes and powering our lights and cameras and phone. Yeah. So because of these power plants, like coal power plants, they produce a lot of pollution, like carbon dioxide pollution, which is very bad to our earth, which causes which is a greenhouse gas, and traps heat and makes icebergs melt and increases Earth's heat temperature. So what we can do is plant a lot of trees or saplings, just seed is enough for a tree to grow. So plant as many as seeds you can, or if you don't have time, you can either donate to teamtrees.org. Like they plant trees, like if you spend $1 or 74 rupees, something like that. So please plant trees so that it may help our earth. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe Techno Science channel. Thank you and goodbye.